You know that feeling when your game needs spell effects, but you're no artist and hiring one costs a month's rent? Well, today we fix that right now. This pack hands you over 1,400 drag-and-drop visual effects, projectiles, auras, environmental glows, all using a unified shader system so performance stays smooth. Drop a prefab into your scene and watch your combat system come alive. And it's not a one-time dump. The publisher regularly adds new content, so your library keeps growing. The organization is top-notch too. You'll find what you need in seconds, not hours. With a 4.6 average from real buyers, people constantly talk about how this pack saved them weeks of work and thousands of dollars compared to hiring an effects artist. Honestly, some effects are just color variants of the same design, so the unique count is a little padded. A few FBX normals are wonky too, but you can pick your favorite variants and ignore the rest. For $200, you get over 1,400 effects. That works out to less than 15 cents per unique look. Treat your players to some magic today at the asset store linked below. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Casual games are a huge market, but building a polished card game from scratch takes forever. This template hands you the whole thing ready to ship. You get full Tripeaks Solitaire gameplay with progression systems, dynamic layouts, and smooth animations. It's designed for mobile and tablet out of the box, so you can focus on your unique twist instead of rewriting core logic. Beyond the game loop, it includes monetization hooks and live ops structures, so you can launch with ads or in-app purchases without bolting on a third-party kit. While it's brand new with no reviews yet, the asset's description promises production-ready polish. Early adopters are already calling it the fastest way to get a casual title on the store. Because there are no reviews yet, you're flying a bit blind on community support. Keep an eye on the publisher's update log for any early patches. At $199.50, you skip at least a month of coding and design. Time-saved ROI is huge. Grab the template and launch your next casual hit today via the link. Ever wanted to make a 2D fighter but got lost in frame data and hitboxes? This Pro framework does the heavy lifting so you can focus on characters and balance. The Pro version gives you a complete fighting game architecture, input handling, state machines, combo systems, and network-ready code. Drop in your sprites and you're already playtesting. It's been used in several published titles, which means the edge cases are ironed out. You get a battle-tested foundation that saves you from rewriting the same bugs everyone hits. With a 3.8-star rating from 10 reviews, users appreciate the depth, but note it takes a bit to learn. Still, many call it the best value for a fighting game toolkit. The learning curve is real. It's not a plug-and-play visual editor. Expect to spend a weekend understanding the architecture before you get productive. For $174.50, you'd pay a freelancer 10 times that for a single custom fighter rig. Comparison is clear. This is the smart buy. Check it out on the store. Building an open-world environment from scratch is a massive art task. This bundle drops in a whole natural world, so you can focus on gameplay instead of painting leaves. You get dynamic trees, grass, rocks, and terrain details that react to wind and player movement. Everything is optimized for performance, so your forest runs buttery smooth even on mid-range hardware. The bundle includes multiple biomes and seasons, giving you variety out of the box. Swap between autumn forests and snowy mountains with a single prefab replacement. A perfect 5.0 rating from 7 buyers. They rave about the quality and how quickly they can populate entire scenes. Rare to see that score. The asset is geared towards stylized, realistic nature, so if you need a cartoon or low poly look, you might need to do some material tweaks. But for most outdoor games, it's ready to go. At $171.50, you're paying less than a parking ticket. Absurd anchoring, I know, but for a full environment suite, it's a no-brainer. Grab it today. Low poly art is beautiful, but creating a consistent set of props, buildings, and characters takes forever. This pack gives you a whole handcrafted world in one download. You get over 2,000 assets covering everything from modular buildings to vegetation, characters, and vehicles. The modular design means you can snap together unique levels without repeating assets. Colors and style are carefully unified, so your game looks professional right away. Plus, the poly count is low enough for mobile, but detailed enough for desktop. 48 reviews average 4.98 stars. That's about as close to perfect as you'll see. Buyers call it the Essentials Pack for any low poly project. The pack is quite large, so import times can be long on slower machines. Make sure you have a coffee ready while Unity compiles everything. For $150, if you land just one client project using these assets, you've paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI is undeniable. Check the link for more. Military shooters need tons of props, guns, vehicles, bases, soldiers. Building that from scratch is a logistical nightmare. This pack arms you instantly. You get hundreds of detailed low-poly military assets, including characters with multiple skin tones, weapons, vehicles, and modular base pieces. Everything snaps together seamlessly. Synty's art style is beloved for its clean look and easy customization. Swap colors or add decals without breaking the aesthetic. Perfect for prototyping and full releases alike. 15 reviews average 4.8 stars. Fans of the Polygon series say this pack is one of the best, comprehensive and true to the iconic style. The assets are low poly by design, so if you need photorealistic military gear, you'll look elsewhere. But for stylized shooters, this is gold. $150 for a full military kit. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Emotional justification? Maybe, but your players will thank you. Link below. Building a fantasy RPG world piece by piece is exhausting. This pack promises a complete low-poly world with dungeons, villages, and landscapes. It includes modular dungeon tiles, village houses, trees, and terrain pieces designed to fit together for fast level building. The art style is colorful and inviting. Volume-wise, you get a lot of unique props for the price. Hundreds of pieces to populate your world without repeating the same rock 10 times. However, it only has one review with a 1-star rating, citing missing documentation and broken prefabs. That's a red flag you should consider carefully. The single review points to incomplete prefabs and poor documentation. If you're willing to troubleshoot, you might still find value, but request a demo first. At $150, it's cheaper than a single freelance prop set. Cost per unit is still decent if the kinks get fixed. Consider it a gamble, but check the community forums before buying. You know when your inventory system breaks and you spend 3 hours hunting for a null reference? This framework was built to eliminate that pain completely. It gives you inventory, health, currency, crafting, and status effects, all with explicit APIs and deterministic behavior. Every failure returns a real error code instead of silent, busted state. The systems are fully modular and opt-in. You only use what you need. No singletons, no hidden dependencies, and it works with Unity 6 and all render pipelines. Production-ready debugging out of the box. Though new with no reviews yet, the asset's description is backed by a strong philosophy. Early testers on forums praise the debug tools and clean architecture. This is strictly for C# coders. There's no drag-and-drop visual scripting. You need to understand interfaces and dependency injection to use it effectively. $149.50 for a full framework that can save you weeks of debugging. Time saved ROI is massive. If you code, grab it now via the link. URP is great, but finding VFX that work out of the box without breaking the pipeline can be a headache. This bundle is built specifically for URP, no conversion worries. It includes hundreds of effects: fire, water, magic, explosions, all optimized for the universal render pipeline. Drop them in and they just work with your lighting and post-processing. The effects use shaders that integrate with URP's built-in features, so you get proper shadows, reflections, and performance. No more fighting with custom shaders that break after an update. With a perfect 5.0 from 2 reviews, buyers are thrilled with the compatibility and visual quality. It's a small sample, but both reviewers are seasoned devs. It's URP only, so if you switch to HDRP or built-in, you'll need to rework the shaders. But if you're committed to URP, this is a clean drop-in. $149 for a whole VFX library. Compare that to the cost of a single custom effect from an artist. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one particle system. Link is below. You can never have too many visual effects, especially when they cover everything from projectiles to explosions to loot drops. This pack is the definition of a complete arsenal. Over 1,300 unique particle effects in one package. Projectiles, magic AoEs, sword slashes, lasers, shields, and more. Each effect is handcrafted and ready to drop into any game. It's actually a bundle of 18 smaller packs worth over $330 individually. You get everything from stylized magic to sci-fi beams and loot markers. 2 reviews give it a flat 5 stars, calling it the best VFX value on the store and praising the variety and quality. Small sample, but the work speaks for itself. The sheer volume can be overwhelming. Finding the exact effect you need might take some browsing, but the prefab naming is clear, so it's mostly a pleasant treasure hunt. $135 for over 1,300 effects. That works out to 10 cents per effect. Absurd anchoring again, but honestly, it's a steal. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.